Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to address common parking brake issues in Mercedes C and E-Class models. We'll dive right into understanding the typical problems you might encounter with your vehicle's parking brake system. This includes issues like the brake not engaging or disengaging properly, or warning lights appearing on your dashboard. We'll cover the essential steps to begin diagnosing these concerns effectively, helping you pinpoint the root cause. Many parking brake issues stem from a faulty electronic parking brake actuator motor, which can wear out over time. Another common culprit is damaged wiring or connectors, preventing proper signals from reaching the brake system. Sometimes, even a weak car battery can cause the system to behave erratically. Always start by scanning your vehicle for diagnostic trouble codes. This provides crucial insights into the specific problem. For many, replacing the electronic parking brake actuator is the most direct solution, especially if the motor has failed. If wiring is the problem, carefully repairing or replacing the affected sections will restore functionality. Sometimes, a simple module reset can clear temporary errors. In cases where the actuator is built into the caliper, replacing the entire caliper assembly might be necessary for a complete fix. Deciding between a do-it-yourself repair and professional service depends on your comfort level and the complexity of the issue. DIY can save you hundreds of dollars, but it demands specific tools and a good understanding of automotive electronics. Professional mechanics have specialized diagnostic equipment and experience, which is invaluable for intricate electrical problems. Weigh the cost of parts against potential labor charges to determine the best approach for your situation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.